Hey y'all, it's your girl Jessica Nicole here, back with another video. So today y'all, I will be doing breakfast. I'm finna fix me some waffles and some eggs. And I'm finna show y'all how I fix my breakfast. Hey y'all, so I'm in the kitchen and I already washed my hands and stuff. But let me put the light on. That's way better. Y'all, don't mind this thing. I was brushing my teeth and yeah. I'm making waffles and eggs. I already got I'm making 3 eggs. Y'all can't see it. I don't want to spill it stuff. No, y'all can't see it. Got the pancake mix. I gotta put water in it. I use a little bit of salt. And yeah, I got my butter too. Hold up. It's right here. This is big. Okay, but y'all look. Okay. First off, we finna whisk up this, okay? The eggs and the pancake mix. For the pancake mix, you just put water in it. So y'all, I don't know if this will be enough for one waffle, cause I'm only fixing one waffle because I know I'm not gonna eat 2. And y'all, I eat, but not as much. I eat when I want to eat. Yeah. I'm weird. Okay, y'all. Okay, so look. That's ready. Put that right there. Now I got my eggs. Little black pepper, y'all. I went into my walk-in pantry. A bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Feel me? Because you gotta have a little bit of, you know? Gotta taste a little good, you feel me? I feel like this is enough, so I'm gonna put this up. Oh. Okay. So y'all, I'm gonna use my whisk. Y'all cannot see me, y'all just looking. Jeremiah! Yeah? Shh. I saw this trick on YouTube. I was watching this YouTube video and the person was doing this. So don't mind my nails. It's kind of hard. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just do it how I do it. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So first off, I'm gonna cut on the mug. I'm gonna cut on the waffle. I have a little more waffle maker. This is the waffle maker. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta spray it down with some butter and up in here. But let's go do. That's what I have to do. And then I'm gonna put some butter on it. I don't want it to stick to the pan. I mean to the little Drama, I'm trying to make a video, bro. He said no one cares. That's my little brother. Now I'm gonna get this. So y'all, now I'm gonna make my eggs. I'm gonna put this up in here. Pancake mix up in here. Better be a heck. Y'all, it's gonna be 4 o'clock and I'm fixing breakfast because it's freaking 11. 4 o'clock, dude. 4 o'clock. Like, are you serious? What's the thing? I'm gonna have to wash all this out. Because I can't leave. Now I just closed it, right? Now we're gonna go to this. But I want to open this. That's not ready yet. But I'm gonna get my plates. Ooh, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. That waffle look nice, y'all. I hate this shirt right now. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Okay, y'all. So it's time for me to put the eggs in the Ooh. Y'all don't mind my camera, bro. I'm really trying. I should have been for my. Again. It's time to be in my house cooking breakfast. I'm gonna be a good wife, y'all. Just wait on me. I'm gonna be cooking, cleaning, all that. And at that, I'm gonna be on my shit. On the job and all that shit. And when I get someone with this, I'm gonna make them go out for this. The girl gonna be sad. Like, for real. Like, I'm not even joking. Now, this pancake. I just said pancake, y'all. This is a waffle. Right? I'm gonna put some cheese in it. I should have put some cheese in it. I did. I fixed my eggs first. I'm gonna have some eggs like this. Cranberry juice. Cheese up in my little eggs. This is some three steak cheddar cheese. Just trying to make sure it's done, you feel me? Oh my gosh, so good. Oh, I'm hungry too. Nah, my shit is touching. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't. I'm funny, but I don't like myself touching. Yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. So, bam. I gotta get my syrup because waffle's not good without syrup. I got fruit. I don't need it. I don't want it though, so yeah. Eggs and waffles at 4 p.m. It's time for like lunch now. Or close to dinner. I'm just eating breakfast, y'all. But I don't care. I can't find the syrup. Y'all. This is, I don't be looking hard enough. Syrup right here. Okay, so y'all, I got my cranberry juice, you feel me? A cranberry juice. Okay, so I'm gonna put the little syrup on here. And I gotta get my juice. So now y'all, I'm gonna test this out. gonna try the eggs first. Dang! Come on, lightning. Hey, this fire. Okay. That's good. This good. It's good. Fire. This is good too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be asleep after this. Hey y'all. This is gonna be the end of this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl Jessica Nicole is out. Bye.